Hello, Rancho. Mr. Corcoran here. This week, we're going to be doing a PE class together based on the fitness calendar that you have. If you don't have it, please reach out to your teacher and have them send it or ask them to send it to you again. But it looks like this. And I have little activities, short ones, not very long, but for each day of the week. We're going to be working on the week of April 20th. So here you can see the 20th. From the 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, and 25th. That's the ones we're going to be working with. So the first exercise is an I Spy walk. On Tuesday, we have crawl like a seal. On Wednesday, it's going to be action word showdown. Thursday, double duty. That's another outside walking one. Friday, play catch. We'll talk a little bit about that one. And then the 25th Saturday is going to be Random Act of Kindness Day. So now that you see what each of those activities are going to be, you can always pause it, right, and take a little closer look at it. We're going to start with Mondays, which is a I Spy walk. Now, I have a special guest that's going to be joining me on that walk, so let's head outside and see what an I Spy walk looks like. See you in just a little bit. All right. Good morning, Rancho. So for this week's video, and I talked more about it earlier, we're going to take each day of the calendar. And you saw the calendar too. So the first exercise on Monday is to go on an I Spy walk. So I'm joined with Mrs. Corcoran.
Hi, everybody.
And I are going to be out playing I Spy. So you know how to play I Spy. If you don't, you spy something and the other people need to find it. You take turns doing that. So make sure you go with your family, take water, drink the water. Okay, so we're going to start the game, and I'm going to go first. So I'm going to pick something that I can see, obviously, and you don't want to pick it too close to you because you might go by it. So, Mrs. Corcoran, I see something yellow.
Ooh, stop. I see a yellow fire hydrant.
You got it. All right, good job, Mrs. Corcoran. She got that first one. All right, that was an easy one, too. All right, so Mrs. Corcoran's going to go. She's good at this game, too.
Oh, let's see. I spy something black and white.
Something black and white. Let's look over there. A lot of green. There's a truck. Two trucks. There's a black truck and a white truck. Is that it?
No.
No. Actually, I think that's a blue truck.
I think it's blue.
And, oh, what about that right there? That sign's black and white.
You are correct, Mr. Corcoran.
Nice,
You got it.
Nice. All right, my turn. Let's see. I see a rubber duck.
What? There's no ducks out here. It's the desert.
Do you guys see a duck?
See any ducks. Do you see any ducks?
Oh, do they?
I don't see any ducks.
Do you guys see a duck?
I think I found it. Is it on the post?
It's on the post. Oh my
what a
gosh.
cool rubber duck.
That was lucky to see that. A rubber duck out in the desert area. And just sitting there. Okay. It's Mrs. Corcoran's turn.
I spy something silver and trapezoidal.
Ooh, trapezoidal.
Oh, not even trapezoidal. Pentagonal.
That's a big word.
I know.
Trapezoidal.
Pentagon. What does pentagon mean? Has 5 sides to it.
Are they all the same?
They are not.
Okay. So it's not the same, but it's going to have 5 sides. That can't be. No. All right, let's see. Oh, what about that right there?
You are correct.
That's
Mr.
called
Corcoran.
an irrigation check. Out here we get irrigated, and that's how it stops the water and pumps it through those holes into our property so it waters the grass and the trees. All right, one more. Let's see. I spy something silver and yellow. Silver and yellow. Oh, I see lots of yellow.
Is it the pole on the stop sign, Mr. Corcoran?
Oh, I didn't see that. It could be that. But do you see something else that's silver and yellow? Yep, that could be it. I wasn't paying attention to that.
Is it the fire hydrant?
That's not silver.
Oh, yeah. That's yellow. Oh, I think it's those poles.
It is those poles. Oh my gosh, Mrs. Corcoran. Good job.
All right.
So, you guys get the idea. You're going to play I Spy with your family. Make sure you go with family. At least one person. Adult. Take your water. Don't forget to drink the water. And have fun playing I Spy. See you guys later for the next exercise. All right, welcome to Tuesday's exercise. Now, Tuesday's exercise is walk like a seal. So I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. This is going to be a quick one. You might do this inside. You can do it outside. You got to be careful where you do it outside, though. You don't want to hurt your knees. And inside, if you have carpet, that can hurt too. You can do it, just don't do it for a real long time. All right, so here's how we do walk like a seal. And you get down on the ground, hands stay up, legs straight, or legs go straight, and you just drag your legs back. All right, walking like a seal. All right, we're going to head outside for the next one. See you in a bit. So you're going to write down as many active words that you can think of. Jump, roll, walk, hop, things like that. And then you act those out. We're going to give you a little demonstration here real quick in just a second. Hang on. We've got run, we've got jump, we've got hop, and we've got skip. Okay, so our active words today, we're going to run, jump, skip, and hop. I got those flipped around. So here we go. First one, run. We all know how to run. We do running in PE. Now, I'm not going to run real far, but we know how to run. We're running, and it's just a nice, easy jog. We can run back. But you want to kind of go a little further than that. Okay, and then the next one was jump. Now, on jumping, we can just jump like this. That's boring. Or we can jump way up like this. Or we can do our rockets. Remember the little ones? We do the rockets, put the hands over the head, and we can get lower and lower and lower, and then we can jump and blast off. So there's some examples of jumping. And then the next one was hop. So hopping like a rabbit all over the place. And then skipping. Skipping is one we should all know. Remember our exercises from the beginning of the year. All right? Okay, here we go. So skipping. All right, so we're on Thursday now. Thursday's exercise is to go for another walk, just like Monday. But we have a different exercise now. We're going to be doing an exercise called double duty. Now, in double duty, take a walk with your family, take water, and this time you're going to need to take a bag. And with that bag, you're going to pick up trash in your neighborhood. Now, to be safe, you want to make sure wear a glove. You only need to wear one, unless you want to wear two. But to make sure you're being safe, not just because of what's going on now, but anytime, because that's garbage. You want to make sure you're staying away from anything that could make you sick, right? So we're going to play that a little bit here, and it's just taking a walk and picking up garbage in your neighborhood. It's pretty cool. Mrs. Corcoran and I had to walk quite a ways to get some trash, and that's a good thing because people in our neighborhood have been picking up. Oh, there's garbage. Just when I said picking it up. So here we got a couple of things. So yes, I do. Use your glove.
I got my glove on, so I'm safe.
Yep. And pick it up. Now, out where we live, we're pretty close to the desert, and I know around Rancho, if you're out there by the wash or in some of those drainage ditches, you got to be careful reaching in to bushes to pick up trash because it's getting warm, and who likes to come out when it's warm? Yeah, the snakes. Snakes don't know they're supposed to stay home and stay safe. They don't know they're in quarantine. So you got to be careful when you're out picking up trash, that you're not reaching into bushes or anything like that. See, like right here, got to be really careful. We got a hole right there. We want to be really careful going anywhere near that. So I might be able to use your foot, move it away from you. Oh, Miss Corcoran, she's brave.
Oh, sorry.
So, all right, so we're going to keep going a little bit. That's how you play double duty. Picking up trash, being careful, guys. All right. All right, guys, so we're finished with double duty. And look at the bag we got. That's a lot of trash. Now, Mrs. Corcoran brought up a good point. If you don't have the glove like we did, I just had a box of those in the house, and we keep them for when we need them when we go out to the grocery store or anything like that. But anyway, you can use a work glove or any other kind of glove. You could even use another plastic bag to protect your hand. And just put your hand inside to pick up the trash, right? So it's just keeping your skin safe, protected. Okay, that's it for today's exercise. Next will be Friday's exercise, and we'll see you in a little bit for that. Bye. Don't forget your water. Welcome to Friday's exercise. Friday's exercise is to play catch. Now, playing catch, you need a ball or something like it. Now, you don't have to have a baseball. It doesn't have to be any specific kind of a ball. If you have a big ball, small one, you can even make one out of some paper, right? You ball it up and you can do that. A little bit harder to play catch with further away with a piece of paper, but you can still do that. So any kind of ball. It can be a football too. But you want to make sure you're with a partner on this one, right? We need somebody to play catch with. And make sure when you are playing catch that if your partner's not such a good catcher, don't do an overhead throw. give an underhand toss, which is what we're going to be doing today. And make sure when you catch, you watch the ball, catch with both hands. All right, here we go. We're playing catch. So I'm getting ready. I'm watching the ball, 2 hands. If it's a bigger ball, it might be kind of hard if it's a really ginormous ball to catch it without your body, using your body, but you want to use those hands. Okay? And that's our Friday exercise. Catch. All right, Rancho, we're just about done with our week of activities. Our final one is random act of kindness. We've heard about this. We've done this before at school, so this shouldn't be brand new for you. This is where you're going to do something for somebody in your family that is not expected, something that be kind of a surprise. So maybe it's doing the dishes, or unloading the dishwasher, or picking up your room, or taking out the trash, or doing somebody else's chore for them without being asked. That's what a random act of kindness is. And then we're going to ask that person that we did it for to see if they could pay it forward and do an act of kindness for somebody else. Or maybe you could do something as a family. I don't know. You can think of lots of different ways that you could do something for somebody else. So think about that and see if you can get that done on Saturday. Next week's video is going to be a brand new one. It's not going to be related to our calendar, but it is going to be something that we've done in PE before. So I look forward to seeing you next week. Good job, Rancho. See you next week.